This time, Take will make Japanese Katsu Curry. According to a survey by a British company in 2022, Japanese curry is rated as one of the best traditional dishes in the world.
Oh, it's exciting.
He will make a big, palm-sized katsu chicken cutlet and curry simultaneously. First, prepare the chicken cutlet. To make a tender cutlet, cook it in advance at a low temperature. Calculate the thickness of the meat and cook it at 57 degrees Celsius for 3.5 hours, depending on the thickness this time. During this time, prepare the curry. Slice the onions. Dice the carrots. To cut the meat, place a sheet on a cutting board. Sprinkle the meat with salt and pepper. Roast the chicken. The skin side should be browned first. At the same time, fry the carrots and onions. Add 800 milliliters of water to the pot. Add the roasted meat and vegetables to the pot. Simmer for 20 minutes. Add the curry roux and simmer for 10 minutes. This time, he used the flake curry, which dissolves quickly. Oh, it dissolves quickly.
Wow!
Simmer for an additional 10 minutes. Chop the cabbage and cucumber. Dredge the chicken in flour. Dip the chicken in the beaten egg with 1 spoonful of sesame oil and then in the breadcrumbs. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. The chicken cutlet is ready to serve. Arrange vegetables on top. Serve with rice. Pour the curry on top. Finally, place the chicken on top. The delicious large chicken katsu curry is served.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.